Next up for us is Greece. So there's a few things I need to do to prepare for Greece. So I'm going to make this quick and easy. COVID, obviously, international driver's permit, and our health insurance. And we're flying $325 round trip out of Chicago to Italy. So this is the time to do it.
We are Gay and Robert. 5 years ago, we quit our jobs, sold our house and all of our possessions, and began living the dream of traveling the world with only backpacks on our backs. After flying over 300,000 miles and visiting 82 countries, COVID brought us to a screeching halt. True to our fashion, we improvised and bought a brand new van and built it out in just 6 weeks to explore the United States until international travel opens up.
Next up for us is Greece. So there's a few things I need to do to prepare for Greece. So I'm going to make this quick and easy so you don't get too bored. But there's 3 things that are primary concern with Greece. COVID, obviously, international driver's permit, and our health insurance. So I'll go through those. So first things with COVID. When we flew to Germany, we just needed our vaccination card to get into Iceland. Once we're in Iceland, we're in the visa territory for a 90-day stay, and no problem. When we came back from Germany, we needed a negative COVID test, which we had, and then the U.S. let us back in. The airlines check this data. So the border control, either in the U.S. or other countries, do not talk about COVID at all. It's checked by the airlines. So this time we're flying American Airlines, and they use an app called Verifly. And actually, I think you can use this regardless, and this would be my suggestion. Verifly, you put in what country you're traveling to, and it gives you a checklist and tells you what you need to do. So in the case of Greece, you need to fill out a travel form. It goes ahead and has a QR code that you scan in. They also require a vaccination or a negative COVID test. So you either submit your vaccination card or a negative COVID test, and they verify it. Then I believe at the airport, we'll be able to pull that app up with a selfie that we took and show that to the gate agent, and we should be good to go. Anyway, that's COVID. Pretty simple. Again, we'll need a negative COVID test coming back into America, but that'll be easy. The other thing is international driver's permit. It's only $20. You can get it from any AAA office. I just went into the Manhattan office, and literally 10 minutes later at the most, I was walking out with the international driver's permit for $20. So that allows me to drive in many of these countries legally, So if you don't get pulled over, you don't have a worry. But I just like doing it. It's only $20. We're going to rent a car in Santorini, and again in Italy, so and other travels that we have planned. The last thing is the health insurance. We used to have health insurance internationally for all our travels, and of course during COVID we didn't renew it. There's no use having it. So anyway, we signed back up for GeoBlue Trucker Choice. So what that does is covers us for 70 days out of the country for a full year. So meaning 70 days, and then we have to come back and then renew. But we're not going to be gone more than 70 days. Our first trip to Europe, we did 90 days, and that was way too long for us. Now we are down to about 30 days and refresh ourselves and hit back out international again once it opens up. Anyway, that is for both of us, and it's age-based rated. But for both of us, our premium for a full year is $390. It covers $1 million in medical, and it has a $100 deductible. We have not submitted a claim with GeoBlue, so we do not know how it works, but the reviews are good. I probably think it's awesome. We don't know at this point in time because we've never used it, but hopefully it does. And if it does work as it says, we have better insurance internationally than we have domestically. So it's awesome. That's all I wanted to say. I wanted to give you a quick update in case you are traveling to Europe. This is not comprehensive, but it gives you some sort of an idea. It's easy, do it, it's fun. Flights are cheap. We're flying for $500 round trip out of Albuquerque, New Mexico, to Greece, and then we're flying $325 round trip out of Chicago to Italy. So this is the time to do it. But anyway, I will see you on the next video, and have a good day.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.